Now, the most important thing is that starting Monday, we are going to have the revision program, and this revision program will comprehensively cover uh, not just MSET, but also BITSAT and entrance tests of all deemed universities. Because a lot of students are interested in deemed universities like Manipal, like VIT, like SRM, like Amrita. So whatever we are going to do is going to help you with MSET, with BITSAT, and entrance tests for all these deemed universities. So all those students who are serious of settling down in a good engineering college should focus on this revision program. I do not care what you have done, what you have not done so far, but at least from now onwards, that is from Monday onwards, please ensure that you are with the revision schedule in all ways. So this revision schedule will be sent to you today. I don't know if you've already got it, but by the end of the day, you will get the revision schedule. So this revision schedule is going to start from 6th of December and will go on up to 6th of February. So in these 2 months, we are going to revise all the first year as well as whatever we've done in the second year. So as per this plan, what we are going to do is every day there will be 2 maths tracks, maths A and maths B. There will be 1 physics track and there will be 2 chemistry tracks. 1 chemistry track to accommodate physical chemistry, second year physical chemistry that has started this week, that will continue, and a second revision track to revise whatever we have done in the first year. So first year revision will continue, and so daily there will be 5 hours of classes. So 5 hours of revision sessions, very, very important revision sessions. So what all you need to do is follow what is happening in the revision program very seriously. Okay. Now after this, we are also going to have 1 hour of assignment. So every day there will be 1 hour of compulsory assignment. So on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So 4 days there will be 4 assignments. So 2 assignments on 2 of the maths tracks, 1 chemistry and 1 physics. So 4 tracks, 4 assignments, online assignments will be there, which this online assignment will be posted, will be published on your own portal, the same portal that you use, the same portal on which you are seeing the class. On the same portal, you will have the assignment. So I want everybody to participate in these assignments, and the mentors are going to keep track of your participation. So you have to participate compulsorily. Now the thing about the assignment is that suppose we say the assignment is say from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, we will tell you the exact time. So suppose it's say, for example, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So you have to take the assignment during that time only, because the assignment will lapse after 10 o'clock. So it is important that you follow the timings, and during the timings you do the assignment. The assignment will be in the form of a test, except that you have to work out and give the answers then and there. And we will keep track of how many questions you have answered, how much time you have spent, all of those things. So that is as far as the assignment is concerned. Then what we are going to do is, your weekly test on Mondays are going to continue, but the weekly test syllabus will be the syllabus for whatever is the revision done during that week. So every week, the revision program, whatever topics are covered, the syllabus for the weekly test will be the same as this. So every Monday, as usual, whatever you are having right now, the same weekly test will continue, but these are going to be revision tests. And these tests will be on the MSET pattern. So 3 hours MSET pattern, which is 160 questions, 80 questions in maths, 40 questions in physics, 40 questions in chemistry. So 160 questions revision will continue. In addition, what we are going to do is on Sundays, we are going to have a BitSat pattern test, and this BitSat pattern test will be conducted on the MBIBE platform. On the MBIBE platform, most of you have taken MBIBE platform. Those of you who have not taken the MBIBE platform can take it now. Contact Shrikant and he will help you with the MBIBE platform. So that is to be taken on Sunday. So this will be a pure BitSat pattern test. Now BitSat pattern, as you all know, is 45 questions in maths, 40 questions in physics, 40 questions in chemistry, and 25 questions in English and logical reasoning. For the time being, what we will do is this 25 questions in English and logical reasoning, we will not be conducting now because we have not covered those classes, but we will do it at a later point of time. So initially, we will be covering only maths, physics, and chemistry. That is BitSat on Sundays. And on Saturdays, what we are going to do is, we are going to have an intermediate pattern test. So where you will write at your home. So let me repeat this. Every day, 5 hours of classes, 2 tracks of maths, 2 tracks of chemistry, and 1 track of physics. Then 1 hour of online assignment, which you have to do compulsorily from Tuesday to Friday. Saturday, intermediate pattern test, and Sunday, BitSat pattern test. But this Sunday BitSat pattern test will be on MBIBE platform. And Monday will be your weekly test, which will be on the MSET pattern.